Okay, we've deployed the instrument for a period of time, and now we want to offload the data. So we remove the dummy plug, we connect the test cable back to the instrument, and then we make sure that we throw the kickstart switch to the on position so that the unit will get its the unit will wake up and begin communicating to the computer. So now that we're sure that we've thrown the kickstart switch back to on, the first thing we do is we do a check instrument, and it'll come up and say the instrument is deployed. Do you want to stop the deployment? Yes. So now it will go out, it will look for the instrument on COM port 1, which is what we're connected to, and it will stop the instrument and retrieve the information for us. Okay, we have the instrument's attention. We know because again we see the model, serial number, firmware, and cal date here, and so now we say retrieve data. Okay, here we have a retrieve memory dialog box. It says there's 73 scans in here. Again, we only deployed it for a short period of time. This is where you would select your file name, how the data is going to be stored on your hard disk on your computer, and it'll allow you to browse for a location. Here we're going to drop it on the desktop, so we're going to call it test, and it defaults to a .dat format, which our post-processing software can use. It's comma delimited variable, so it can also be opened in Excel or a spreadsheet program. Here you can select how many scans you wish to offload if you don't want to offload all of them. For this application we want to see them all, so we're going to click on download. Here is where you would put in unique deployment information such as deployment number, mooring, maybe your latitude, longitude, and depth of deployment, and this will be embedded into the data file for future use. So now we have a data file to view. We click on OK, and we can look at it in textual format by clicking on File, View Data File. Again, it's test.dat, and there's our data. Again, if we had put mooring and latitude, longitude information, it would show up here. You get time, date. We have a CTD module, so you get conductivity, temperature, pressure. This is salt is salinity, SV is sound velocity in meters per second. Here's our heading in degrees, our tilt X and tilt Y axes, and our velocities north and east. And again, because this is out of the water, the data is fairly meaningless, but you can see the format here. I hope you find this video informative, and if you have any other questions about our products, please visit www.falmouth.com. or call 508-564-7640. Thank you.